This is a multi-stage restoration project. This area has been treated multiple times with prescribed fire, with pile burning, the oak restoration, oak release. At one point it was roadside salvage after the campfire, so there's been a lot of different treatments in the area. And then this is basically another treatment of burning the piles, and the conditions here in December are actually phenomenal because we're actually able to come in here and underburn it at the same time. In the event we do have another fire in the area. So basically ridges and roads, that's some of the best places to engage fire. Having these strategic fuels breaks, if you will enable us to keep fires smaller, be able to engage fires better, and then the severity of the fire itself will be minimized quite substantially.
On the Plumas National Forest, this land's been burned several times, most recently by the campfire in 2018. And how it's grown back is just a brush field. And there's very little mature standing trees, a lot of dead snags. What is coming back is oak. And we know historically, just based on archaeological records, oaks used to kind of dominate this landscape. So the idea of this project that we worked on with the Plumas National Forest is clear the brush and then create this landscape where oaks are dominating once again. So what we do in this unit, we cut all the brush, so lots of deer brush, ceanothus, there's blackberry, which is invasive. We piled that up, then we pruned the oaks. The idea that they're gonna grow up, dominate this landscape, give some shade, the brush won't come back as much.